Hi, welcome to Chartview Analytics YouTube channel. This is Arvind, and now we are going to discuss regarding the 9th May tomorrow pre-technicals. So first we will discuss Nifty. Nifty closed yesterday as per chart 16483. So 1648438. So the nearest strike, if you will see, it is around 16400. So the straddle for the Nifty has been formed at 17,000. Its support is you see here 16,453 and resistance is at 17,041. The straddle formations first straddle is 17,000. That means all the call options and put options if you add up for each strike, then at 17,000 it has the maximum value. So likewise the second maximum is at 16,1700. Okay. The resistance corresponding to 16,1700 is 16,753 and the support is at 16,372. So these are the levels actually they will play a role tomorrow in the intraday session. But there are possibility that it may be flat opening, it may be gap up, it may be a gap down opening. Suppose if it is a normal or flat opening, if it is a flat opening, that means it is opening near 16,400. Okay, so if it is opening here at 16,400 and it is rising, then it may go to this level, 1700 secondary level, that is 16,528. If it is breaking this level, then there is a possibility that it will move up to 16,583. That is the resistance value corresponding to 16,400, or maximum it can go to, if it is breaking that level even, it may go to 16,626 level. And after normal opening or flat opening, if it is getting a resistance over here, that may it may come here, it may break PS and it may again the come to the lower zone or the low value it can test. Also in maximum it can go up to 16,292 value. And after normal opening, initially if it is going downward, suppose it is going downward, and here it will get a support over here, and there is possibility that again put writing and it may shoot up the value to this level. You would get in a resistance here, again it may come here. So there is a zigzag pattern possibility within this zone. Suppose there is a gap up opening in Nifty tomorrow. So if the gap up is happening above this level, suppose 16,500, or normally gap up happens the fast straddle resistance value, but here there is a option divergence. Actually, the fast straddle higher limit is at this level, and the closing is near the fast straddle lower limit or resistance support value, that is 16,453. So what is the gap up in these cases? Actually, the gap up normally follows the closing strike upper value. The closing is 16,400 and its upper value is, if you see in the chart, we'll provide in the website, you will find that it is around 16,583 zone here, or 551 the secondary. If it is opening over here and it is getting resistance, again definitely it will come down and it may test this level. If it is testing this level and getting a support over here, again there is a possibility that it will rise to these levels. But if it is not getting a support and it is breaking this level, again there is a possibility that it will come to this zone, or it may test the low value of Friday. And if it is a gap down opening, what will happen? If it will gap down opening, it will happen where? It will happen in this zone actually. Possibility is there. There is 292. 400 support is at 242. So here it can open, a gap down opening can be here only. If it is a gap down opening here, and there is a possibility that if it is going upward, then again it will go to this level. It may go to this level also. It may touch 16453 and again get a resistance and come down. But after a gap down, if it is coming down, it may possibility that there is a 16200 can be tested and it may move up, or further if sentiment is down then it may go downward also towards 1600. So let's see what will happen tomorrow in Nifty, and now we'll discuss Bank Nifty. So what will happen in Bank Nifty? You see, in Bank Nifty, the straddle has been formed near 36,000. You see, this is the straddle formation. This is the straddle formation. 36,000 is the straddle, first straddle. That means you will, if you will add up pool and put and call open interest for each strike, the maximum open interest adding these values will come at 36,000, and second highest will come at 34,500. So you see at 36,000 there is huge call writing, and also at 34,500 put writing is slight bit higher than the call writing. So if it is a flat opening over here and getting a resistance at 36,000 lower limit, or 34,739 or 34,750 around, if it is getting a resistance, again it will test the low of the Friday and get a support over here. If there is a resistance at 34,500, again it will come down, and there is possibility that after a zigzag manner it may break this level and it will try to touch 34,500 lower limit, that is 34,134. But after, if normal opening it is breaking this level and getting a support over here, definitely it will go to this level and try to touch 35,000 resistance, that is 35,166 value, which is matching the closing value of 5th May. Actually it is matching here over here. So this is one possibility if it is a flat opening. And if it is a gap up opening, normally the gap up will happen as I told at the fast straddle resistance. But here the range is very high. It needs a high level of short covering, which may not be possible in this negative sentiment. So here is the next possibility. It may happen the closing strike resistance value. The closing was at 34681. Okay, you can say 34591 is for the weighted close. So the closing strike corresponding to this value is 34600. You can say 34,600. So its resistance is around, if you will see in check in the chart will provide, that will be around 34,978. That means in this zone, or here it may open over here. So if it is opening over here, what will happen? If it is getting a resistance, immediately it will come to this zone. It may get a support over here. Again, there is possibility of resistance from the secondary resistance. It means there is a possibility that it will break and come down over here. And here it will try to get a support in the low. Actually, that is the 35,000, also the lower straddle formation, the low value, that is 34,365. If it is getting a support here, again it may rise here, or if it is breaking this, then it may calm down. So this is one possibility if there is a gap up. If after gap up it is getting a support over here and breaking this level and getting a support over here, then it might also try to move upward. This is one possibility. Suppose there is a gap down opening, there is no gap up, as we discussed. Normally, the gap down should happen over here, but it is a resistance of 36,000 lower straddle. That is the maximum straddle support level. So gap down should be below the lower limit or within this range. So here there is a, it may happen over here, or you can say 34,151. Also, if it is more negative, then it may happen 34,600 lower limit also here. It is around 34151. You can check it in the chart. So if it is very negative, it may open over here. So if it is opening over here, it may get a support over here. It may go further downward. If it is getting a support, that may go upward again. There may be zigzag manner. It may try to again rise this manner, or it may come in this manner. So if it is not happening in that way and going downward, then there is possibly there is a very gap breakdown in the price movement of the bank nifty. So it will try to come to 33,800 level also. There is a possibility, and it may move up, or it may come down further to 33,500 level. If you check, 33,500 will be the next support level. So let's see what is happening tomorrow. We'll see in the morning. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.